Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how easy it is to remove unwanted object from a photo using Adobe Photoshop. See this photo. This is a nice landscape, but it contains some distracting materials, such as a big signboard, a portion of a tent, a coffee shop in distance. First, I'll open this photo in latest version of Adobe Photoshop. Note that an amateur like me, who does not know anything about Photoshop, also can do magic like this using Photoshop. Firstly, I'll have to select the unwanted object using Lasso tool. Then right-click in Open Toolbar and select Generative Fill and write Remove Object and press Enter. Wait for Photoshop to do its work and see the magic. Wow, it's cool! See how nicely Photoshop removed the object. There was the portion of umbrella which is transparent, and it removed the object without doing any harm to the umbrella. Using the same technique, now I will remove the other unwanted object from the photo.